Hello friends, welcome to my channel, My Way of Cooking Healthy and Tasty. My today's recipe is Spicy Dahi Broccoli. Broccoli is considered a nutritional powerhouse as it is packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber and antioxidants. But sometimes we get confused how to make this vegetable tasty. So here is my recipe which will surely tickle your taste buds. So let's now get on with it. So at first I want to show you the vegetables we need here for this recipe is of course the broccoli cut into this much small pieces with the stem cut short, some chopped onions, one small chopped tomato with a green chili. So we will start with frying the broccoli. So heat a little oil on the pan first. Now put the broccoli. I'll just sprinkle a little salt on it. Stir them well. And put the lid. I just want them to become a little soft while frying. Now see, my broccolis are almost done. They're fried properly and little soft too. Now I will take these out in a plate. Then put a little more oil on the pan, and now we will fry the onions. Oil is heated again, and then put the onions. Just fry the onions for sometimes. And while frying the onions, I'm going to add 2 cardamoms and 2 pieces of cloves, and then just fry it until the onions become a little translucent. Now see, my onions are almost done. It has also taken a little golden brown in color. And now I'll add on the tomatoes. Just stir it a little. have to fry it with the onions for some time. Sprinkle a little salt. Stir it well again. And put the lid again for the tomatoes to get melted quickly. Put the green chili. Keep the flame in medium. So my tomatoes now are half done. We need some more time for it to be melted properly. It's done now. Just switch off the flame. Now I have taken out the mixture in a bowl and we will grind it to a paste. But before doing so, see, I have taken the 2 pieces of cloves and 2 pieces of cardamoms out of the mixture, and just cool it down and we will make a paste. And then again heat some oil in the pan. In this preparation actually you need a little more oil, but the taste actually comes out awesome. And when your oil is heated, then put the cumin seeds or the jeera first. Let this splatter. A little Asafoetida or hing. Ginger paste. And now with this I will use all the dry spices like some cumin powder, coriander powder, a little red chili powder or the paprika just to get the color, and a little turmeric powder. Mix them all well. Use a little warm water so that the spices don't get burnt. Cook it just for few seconds, the spices. Now when you get the flavor out of the spices, you have to just cook it for few seconds, not more than that. Now we will use the fried onion and tomato mixture. Stir it well. Sprinkle a little salt. And a little crushed Kasuri Methi. Stir it well. and the Garam Masala. Stir it well. And then put the lid. Now see, it's almost done. I can get a nice flavor of the spices. And now it's time to add on the fresh and plain yogurt. Mix it well. Make sure that the yogurt doesn't have any lump on it. Stir it well and just cook it for few minutes. Keep the flame in low to medium. You can cover it with a lid, or you can just keep it like this to be cooked with the spices. Now see, the yogurt is cooked with the spices properly. You can now just add on a pinch of sugar. And now finally it's time to put the broccoli. Stir it well. Keep the flame in low now. Just mix it well with the spices. Now, if you want, you can add on a little warm water to it also. That's what I did right now. And then just finally cover it with a lid and cook it just for few minutes in a medium flame. Now my spicy dahi broccoli is ready to serve. Garnish it with a little yogurt and finely chopped fresh cilantro. I hope your friends and family enjoys this dish. If you like my recipe, please hit the like option, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.